Ever wondered what makes a car an icon? Well, the 2026 Honda Civic is back. And it's not just any compact car, it's a perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation that continues to set the standard in its class. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open highway, this Civic is designed to impress from every angle. The 2026 Honda Civic is here, and is taking one of the most beloved compact cars to a whole new level. At first glance, the Civic impresses with its sleek and aerodynamic design, featuring sharp, flowing lines that give it a modern, sporty edge. The front fascia has been redesigned with a bold grille and slimmer LED headlights that give it a sophisticated yet aggressive stance, while the rear is finished with sculpted taillights and a subtle spoiler, giving it that perfect balance of elegance and sportiness. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that blends comfort with cutting-edge technology. The dashboard is clean and minimalist. It's dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple, CarPlay, and Android Auto, making it easier than ever to stay connected on the go. The materials feel premium, soft touch surfaces, and supportive seating that make both short commutes and long drives enjoyable. Honda has also focused on ergonomics, ensuring that every control feels intuitive and within easy reach. Under the hood, the 2026 Civic offers a choice of engines tailored to different driving styles. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine that delivers smooth, reliable power for everyday driving. For those seeking a bit more excitement, there's a turbocharged 1.5-liter option that produces punchy acceleration without compromising fuel efficiency. Both engines are paired with a responsive CVT transmission, with some trims offering a sporty 6-speed manual option for enthusiasts. The Civic also shines in handling, with precise steering and a well-tuned suspension that keeps it composed around corners while maintaining a comfortable ride over bumps and rough roads. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Civic doesn't disappoint. It comes standard with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver's assist features that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, braking, and road departure mitigation. These features make city driving and highway cruising both safer and less stressful, giving drivers confidence behind the wheel. The Civic's unique selling points go beyond its looks and performance. Its fuel efficiency is remarkable, making it an economical choice without feeling underpowered. The interior space is intelligently designed, offering generous legroom for both front and rear passengers, as well as a practical trunk that easily accommodates luggage, groceries, or weekend gear. Technology and convenience are also highlighted, with wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and optional premium audio systems, creating a truly connected and enjoyable driving experience. In summary, the 2026 Honda Civic continues to build on its legacy as a reliable, stylish, and fun-to-drive compact car. It appeals to a wide range of drivers, whether you're a daily commuter looking for efficiency and comfort, a young professional wanting a sporty look and feel, or a small family needing practicality and safety. With its combination of design, performance, technology, and Honda's reputation for reliability, the Civic remains a standout in its class, proving once again why it's one of the most popular cars on the road today.